Welcome all. In last video, we saw one different method in polynomials. In the same method, we are going to see one more problem. Okay, so look at the problem. What is that? If alpha and beta are zeros of p of x is equal to x square plus x minus 1, then find the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. Okay, here they have given one quadratic polynomial. We need to find out the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. First, we need to compare this given quadratic polynomial with the form of ax square plus bx plus c. On comparing, we need to write what is a, b and c. After that, we need to find that alpha plus beta and alpha into beta values. After that, we need to make this form to alpha plus beta and alpha into beta form. After that, we need to substitute that alpha plus beta and alpha beta that we have found that value here. Okay, so when we apply that value, we will get answer. Okay, so listen here. What is that? 1x square plus 1x minus 1 is there. So here a is what? Coefficient of x square. B is what? Coefficient of x. C is what? Constant. So here 1 is what? Coefficient of x square. So this x square coefficient is what? 1. That is equal to a. Okay, we can write this. A is equal to 1 in solution. Next, b is what? Coefficient of x. Here, coefficient of x is what? 1. So b is equal to 1. This is plus 1. This is also plus 1. Okay. Next, c is equal to what? That is minus 1. We write here. Okay. So here we write alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. In last video itself I told. What I told, we need to memorize alpha plus beta and alpha into beta values. Okay. That value means formula. Okay. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to what? C by a. Okay. So minus b by a. So minus b value is what? 1 by a value is what? 1. Minus 1 by 1 is what? 1 only. Which is equal to alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C value is what? Minus 1 by a value is what? 1. So minus 1 by 1 are 1 only. Okay. So here alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 and alpha into beta also we got minus 1 only. Okay. Next, write this. Alpha square beta plus alpha beta square, whatever they give, we need to write in the form of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Okay, here we have alpha beta, here also we have alpha beta. One alpha beta we can take outside. So in first term, what is it remaining? Here in this alpha square we took one alpha outside. So here we have only one alpha. Here we have only one beta that took outside. Okay, so here we have only alpha in first term. Next plus in second term. In alpha beta square we took alpha outside. Here one is there. Next in beta square we took one beta outside. We have only one beta remaining. Okay, so we have this alpha beta into inside bracket alpha plus beta is there. Okay, we have found alpha into beta and alpha plus beta values here. Okay, now we can apply here. So what will come? Alpha into beta value is what? Minus 1 into alpha plus beta value is what? That also minus 1 only. Okay, now minus 1 into minus 1 is what? Plus 1. So this is the value of alpha square beta plus alpha beta square. Okay, like this we want to find out. If you like this video, you can subscribe, share and comment. Thank you all.